Ready to crush, blend, and blitz your way to smoothie perfection? We put the hottest blenders of 2025, Vitamix, Smeg, Nutribullet, and more, head-to-head in a real-world showdown. Which one truly blends above the rest? Let's find out. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments. Which blender is best for you and why? I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Smeg Professional Blender. The Smeg Professional Blender is a real showstopper, and not just because of its looks. This blender stands out for its exceptional ice-crushing ability, turning ice cubes into smooth, even snow, perfect for margaritas, slushies, or any frozen treat. Its slim, minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, and it's unmistakably Smeg, with that retro-inspired style that always gets compliments. But it's not just about looks. The Smeg Professional Blender offers 9 speeds, 4 presets, including a dedicated ice crushing mode, plus a pulse function and an auto clean option. In our tests, the presets delivered reliable, consistent results with almost no effort. Just press a button and you're good to go. The manual mode, though, was a bit less predictable. Sometimes the blends came out uneven, especially with tougher ingredients. Smeg is definitely in the premium price range, so it's aimed at those who care about both aesthetics and performance. It handles most blending tasks well, but it's best for style-conscious users who want a reliable blender for everyday use and entertaining. If you need a heavy-duty machine for tougher jobs like nut butters or thick doughs, you might want to check out the Breville Super Q or the Vitamix A3500. But if you want a blender that combines eye-catching design with solid performance, especially for frozen drinks and smoothies, the Smeg Professional Blender is a top contender. Number 2. Bosch ErgoMaster Series 6. Stick blenders, or immersion blenders, are perfect for soups and sauces, since you can blend hot ingredients right in the pot. But let's be honest, most are uncomfortable to use, especially if you have to hold down a stiff button the whole time. That's not a problem with the Bosch ErgoMaster Series 6. Its curved body fits comfortably in your hand, and the large trigger-style control is easy to pull. It's ideal for anyone with limited hand strength or mobility, or if you just want a more comfortable blending experience. In my test, the standard blending foot quickly turned cooked veggies into smooth, creamy soup. The only downside? The blender's body got a bit warm after extended use, though the soft touch grip stayed cool and comfortable. The ErgoMaster Series 6 also comes with a mini chopper, great for herbs, nuts, onions, and cheese. Just cut the cheese into small cubes first. And a balloon whisk that whipped egg whites better than my regular hand mixer. The only letdown was the ice blade, which struggled to chop ice evenly, so if you're planning to make a lot of frozen drinks, this might not be your best bet. If you don't need to crush much ice, the Bosch ErgoMaster Series 6 is an excellent, comfortable stick blender that makes blending and prep work easy. It's a great choice for anyone who loves making soups, sauces, or quick dressings right in the pot. Number 3. Beast Mighty 850. Plus, Beast's blenders are made for the health-conscious, and the 850 Plus is no exception. With 3 blending vessels included, it's perfect for making shakes, smoothies, and salad dressings. While it's not the most powerful in the Beast lineup, that title goes to the Mega 1200 Plus. The 850 Plus handled tough ingredients like frozen strawberries and fibrous veggies with ease in my tests. It's a great option for anyone who wants a compact blender that doesn't sacrifice performance. Unlike some compact blenders, the 850 Plus isn't battery-powered, so you'll need an outlet to use it. But you get a variety of lids for taking your drinks on the go, including one for sipping and another for straws. Plus, there are 2 reusable straws and 2 cleaning brushes in the box, which is a nice touch. Each blending vessel has ridged sides, which Beast Health says help create internal turbulence for smoother blends. In practice, this design works well, but sticky ingredients like peanut butter can cling to the ridges. Fortunately, all the vessels and lids are dishwasher safe. Just pop them on the top rack and they come out spotless. If you want a versatile, easy-to-clean blender for healthy drinks, the Beast 850 Plus is a solid choice that fits easily into any kitchen. Number 4. Breville the Fresh and Furious. If our top pick feels a bit too large, check out the Breville Fresh and Furious, called the Sage Fresh and Furious in the UK. This compact blender blends Breville's signature style with impressive power, making it both effective and easy to use. It's also more affordable than other Breville models, though the base is plastic instead of metal. The 1.6 quart, 1.5 liter jug is smaller than most Breville blenders and less than the 2-liter capacity of the Braun TriForce. In testing, the Fresh and Furious handled everything we threw at it. It turned pineapple and spinach into a silky, aerated drink with no bits left behind, crushed ice with ease, chopped nuts, and even emulsified eggs and oil for homemade mayo, all without any trouble. We did notice a small amount of leakage when filled to the max, but it was limited to the lid's well and wasn't a major issue. If you're looking for a versatile, general-purpose jug blender that's compact and reliable, the Fresh and Furious is an excellent choice for a wide range of kitchen tasks. It's perfect for anyone who wants a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to sauces without taking up too much counter space. Number 5. Braun TriForce / PowerBlend 9. If you're after a truly versatile all-round blender, the Braun TriForce, also known as the PowerBlend 9 in the UK and Australia, is a top choice. After hands-on testing, it quickly became our reviewers' everyday favorite. It handles a wide range of ingredients with ease thanks to its unique triangular jug that funnels everything down to the blades, so hardly anything gets stuck to the sides. The TriForce stands out for its customization. You get 6 presets, each with 3 texture settings, plus 10 manual speed options. In our tests, every preset delivered the results we wanted: smooth smoothies, perfectly textured hummus, and well-crushed ice. The preset options go beyond the basics, with extras like a hot soup mode and a chop function. It can get a bit noisy at higher speeds, but the power and efficiency are worth it. The 2-liter jug is generous for big batches, but if you need something smaller, our number 2 pick might be a better fit. For most kitchens, though, the Braun TriForce is an outstanding all-purpose blender that's hard to beat. So, which blender takes the crown? For power, style, and versatility, the Smeg Professional Blender is our top pick for 2025. If you want the best, that's the one to beat. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching.